I'm the clinical director of the Hemophilia Center. The Factor 7 Retreat, I believe, is a program that offers two things to patients which are vital. And those two things would be empathy and connectivity. These are rare illnesses, and people who have them have personal experiences which they really don't feel like they can share with other people. And so they finally get into a room where they can sit down with the person and they don't need to explain themselves, but they can actually just talk.
For me, chess is very unique because this is the one place that I know I'm not alone. I look forward to this every year. I'm sorry, but this is one place where I know I could go and have the support that I need.
I've been a seasoned nurse for 42 years. I've been working with the hemophilia community since the early 90s. When you're diagnosed with a chronic illness, I guess my goal is to have you learn to incorporate it into your lifestyle so it's not as devastating as it can be. Chess helps and make that happen, but chess really makes people understand, and these families then go out and they teach others. Without this program, it wouldn't happen.
I started coming here when I was 15, I'm 20 now. I come in here and everyone's so loud and like, oh my gosh, she's so old. And like, look at how she holds herself. Like, I'm a completely different person than before I came. So, I mean, it's just like coming back to family. Like, I couldn't ever repay them for what they've given me.
I don't have Factor 7, my brother does, and before he was diagnosed with it, we would get in fights a lot, messing around. And now knowing a lot more about the whole situation and everything about his blood disorder, it helps us in the family, like monitor how we like interact with him more in a safe and positive way.
My youngest daughter was diagnosed 3 years ago, and then two of our other children were diagnosed 2 years ago. One day in, the first seminar just absolutely blew our mind. It was wonderful. I know my kids have learned a lot and made some new friends. My wife and I have definitely learned a lot, made some new friends.
Hearing 20 years ago that I would never meet another person with Factor 7 deficiency, and in 7 years I've met over 100. Chess is the only company that I know of in our community that, to me, their incentive is patient-centeredness first, and they're offering programs that nobody else is really offering.
I'm from Comprehensive Health Education Services, otherwise known as CHESS. We started the Factor 7 Retreat in 2012 because we had about 16 to 18 friends that had Factor 7 deficiency that had been invited to a previous national conference that they were no longer allowed to attend. They no longer had a place where they felt like they could be heard, where they felt like the people that understood their deficiency weren't there for them anymore, and it left a hole in their entire world. We have seen the number of individuals that we have here at this retreat continue to grow, blossom, become a family. For us, it's personal. CHESS continues to strive to create a place where you can come to be accepted, to be educated, to be empowered, so you can be your own best advocate or your child's best advocate. And that we want you to be able to go back out and share that information that you learned here to teach others, to be able to do the exact same that you do, to be empowered and to educate.